Here's an LG washer, model WM3400. What you're gonna notice is it is going to have easy access, okay? You don't wanna overload any washer, so we wanna make sure that we keep the laundry below the front area here, okay? You don't wanna put rubber back rugs in here because what'll happen in our spin cycle, that rubber from the back will tear apart and it'll end up going into your pump area and causing issues. So that's one thing you don't wanna put in your washer. The big thing on any front load washer is we wanna make sure we utilize the right detergent. So first and foremost, we have to use HE detergent, high efficiency detergent. That is a must, okay? You can't use traditional detergents. The other thing we want to make sure you do not use are pods, okay? We don't want you to use plastic pods. You can use either powder high efficiency detergent or liquid high efficiency detergent. And the amount you use is 1 to 2 tablespoons. Do not fill the cup like the detergent manufacturers will give you. If you put too much detergent in the machine, you may find that the clothes are gonna come out wet because it doesn't go through the final spin cycle. You may find that it caused a fault on the machine, which is an oversudsing issue, okay? So less is better. This machine does not use a lot of detergent, so we wanna make sure we're using less detergent. Inside, what you'll notice, you've got liquid bleach. If you are using a pre-wash, if you have heavy soiled items, you can add a half a tablespoon into the pre-wash area, and then this area right here is where the soap will end up, okay? So if I take off this tab, you'll be able to see that inside liquid detergent, if you're gonna use powder, take that out and you can put the powder right below. So liquid detergent, this stays in, powder, take it out. And really, that's it. I don't recommend fabric softener, only because people don't dilute fabric softener. Fabric softener is really waxy. And the issue is this will gum up and you'll get mildew and mold, okay? When you get mildew and mold is because you're using too much of something, too much detergent, too much fabric softener. Don't use the fabric softener and then you don't have to worry about diluting it. Maybe a capful, excuse me, not a cup, a capful of vinegar will help soften your clothes, okay? Plus it's natural. In terms of using this, turn on the machine, and then what you'll do is you'll select the fabric, bedding, heavy duty, normal, delicate. There is a speed wash, which is a really quick wash. Now, the speed wash is for things that are not soiled at all, and it is a very quick wash. It's a 15-minute cycle, okay? Everything gets pre-selected. If you do want to go in and change something, you can do that, okay? You can change your spin, you can change the soil level, and then you can add like a cold wash. You can do a delay. So there are things that you can change inside this machine. But the easiest thing to do is just let the machine select and then just hit your start button.